Making money with ChatGPT isn't a scam, it's a skill. But nowadays, every second Instagram reel or YouTube short is screaming, earn $10K per month using AI. Yet, there's zero clarity. Either it's too technical or way too unrealistic. Most students end up thinking, do I need to know coding? Or should I already have a personal brand? But the truth is, if you have a phone, an internet connection and some common sense, ChatGPT can be your mini business partner. This video is not for people chasing overnight success. It's for people who are hungry to learn and ready to take action, even without money. Also, most of the people make a common mistake in all these methods, which I will discuss at the end of this video. So grab your pen and notebook, as I'm going to give you 5 tested and practical ways to make real money using ChatGPT. Number 1. Freelancing with ChatGPT. If you've got no money but a smartphone and internet, freelancing is the smartest way to start. You don't need skills, you just need to know how to use prompts effectively. ChatGPT becomes your co-writer, helping you deliver things 10x faster. You can offer services like SEO blog writing, product descriptions for websites like Amazon, Shopify, etc. YouTube script writing, or LinkedIn posts for founders and creators. But the question is, where to find work? You can start with websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, where clients are ready with their pending projects. Create your gig profile and build a portfolio. Yes, even the portfolio can be made using ChatGPT. Let me give you a pro tip. Learn prompt engineering. Here's a structure that works. First, assign a role to GPT, like you are an SEO blog writer. Second, define the task. Say, write a 600-word article. Third, mention your topic, for example, top 5 AI trends in 2025. Fourth, set a tone. Make it conversational and engaging. Fifth, structure the content with the use of headings, bullet points, summary, etc. And lastly, define your audience. Target young entrepreneurs and students. Number 2, AI-driven Instagram page. Every one of us scroll through Instagram Reels, but have you ever thought, why not create your own viral page? And step 1, pick a niche. Choose something that is relatable, like college life, productivity hacks, etc., or monetizable, like finance tips or career hacks, or evergreen, like quotes, daily habits, etc. Step 2, generate content with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT for things like 10 motivational quotes, or 5 productivity hacks for students, or a content calendar for 7 days. Anything. Step 3, design with Canva. Use bright colors, clean templates and bold fonts. Don't overthink on what you made or how you could have made it more and more better. Just execute. Step 4, monetize your page. Once you hit 10 or 20K followers, get brand deals from brands like EdTech, music companies and wellness brands. Do affiliate marketing on websites like Notion, Skillshare, etc. Or sell digital products like ebooks and planners for extra revenue. And lastly, all these methods won't work if you did these 3 mistakes. First, blindly copy-pasting ChatGPT content. Do not put the scripts or content directly into action without checking if everything seems good or not. Second, underpricing your services. Set your prices and do not let others depreciate them. Third, doing everything for everyone. If you made content for every kind of audience, it won't work. Because if there is no defined niche, there is no identity. So, if you're serious about using AI to build something real, don't wait for the perfect plan. Start small, stay consistent. You don't need to learn coding. You don't need a big budget. All you need is execution. The only question is, will you use it or ignore it? If this video helped, hit a like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want part 2 or more videos like this one. And as always, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep inspiring. Let's empower our visions together.